Reading with Val.
Hi guys, my name is Valerie. Do you like the book Roller Girl? Well, this book that I am going to be reviewing for you today is The Derby Daredevils, Kenzie Kickstarts a Team. This book is by Kit Rosewater. This is the first book in the Daredevil series, and if you remember, I did the review on Shelley Struggles to Shine, and that was the second book. And it's really, really good, and that's why I went back to read book one, this book. And I really am looking forward to seeing Tomoko takes the lead, and that is going to be the third book. And back to Kenzie Kickstarts a Team. This book is a realistic fiction book, and I would rate this book a 10 out of 10. In this book, Kenzie is trying to start a new team for roller derby. You need 5 players on a team, and she has 2 players, herself and her best friend, Shelley. They go on an amazing adventure to find the other perfect 3 players, or 4, 3 or 4 players, and they are super determined to conquer this mission, and at the end, they do. I'll show you the cover. This is Kenzie, the main one. I love this cover, and I love the series cover in all, because this one, you see Kenzie in the front, and then like all her teammates in the back. And while this is all happening, Kenzie is trying to find herself, and Kit Rosewater wrote this book about queer and LGBTQ+, and that stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, LGBT, trans, Q, and queer, and then plus. In this book, Kenzie is starting to think that she has a new crush on her neighbor, Bree. This is Kenzie, and this is Bree right here. And they are all super devoted, I would say, into roller skating after they found the team, because they all want to help each other move forward. I would recommend this book to kids between the ages 9 through 11. I love this book so much. This book is about Kenzie kickstarting a new team for roller derby. It is also about her finding herself and not doubting herself and actually believing in who she is and who she thinks she is. And Kenzie not ignoring her actual self, her mind, her heart, her brain. I just think that this is a really enjoyable read, and that you guys should all be able to sit back, relax, and enjoy. Remember to read on, have fun, and dream big. See you guys later. Bye!